Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this video will be on a very glowy spring summer kind of a look, and it will be on a drugstore budget, so it is very budget friendly. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I know this is like the first video I have with like my whole natural hair out and it not being in a puff or a weave or anything. And I plan on doing maybe some natural hairstyles or videos showing you guys how I fix my hair when I have it out, how I do twist outs, puffs, things of that nature. Just let me know if you guys would be interested in that. But without further ado, let's get into the video. To start off with, I'll be going in with my Equate collagen moisturizer, and I'll be applying that all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Essence Beauty Glow to Go illuminating setting spray. Now I'm just going to take a beauty blender and smooth out that setting spray. Next, I'm going to be doing my brows off camera with my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. Then next, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion BB Cream in the color Cafe. For concealer today, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'll be applying it under my eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead, and also under the hollows of my cheeks. Next, to contour, I'll be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette in medium to dark. And I'll just be using the contour shade. And now I'm just going to blend everything out. Right now, I'm just feeling like maybe I've tanned a little, and maybe this concealer might be a little bit too light for me, but in the end, everything will come together. Now to set my concealer, I will be using Makeup Revolution's baking powder in the shade Banana. And I'm just going to set everywhere I put my concealer. to set my contour, I will be using my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Black Coffee. Next, I will be priming my eyelids with my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to blend that all over my lids. Then I will be applying that Illuminate shade from the Black Radiance-cream contour palette all over my lids. After that, I'll be taking my e.l.f. bronzed palette and I'll be using that highlight shade and that chocolate brown shade. To start off with, I'm going to be applying that chocolate brown shade in my crease. And then I'm going to be using that lighter shade to highlight my tear ducts and my brow bone. Now I'm just going to go back in with that chocolate brown shade and smoke out my lower lash line a little. Next, I'm going to be using my Ulta Beauty eyeliner pencil and black out, and I'm just going to be applying that to my waterline. For mascara today, I'll be using my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara in the color Very Black. After that, I'll be applying my Kiss Ever Easy Lashes in number 1 on camera this time. These are definitely my favorite lashes. They are so easy to apply and they look so natural. Now I'm just going to go back in with my mascara and just blend my lashes with my falsies, and then I'm going to be applying mascara to my lower lashes. Now I will be highlighting my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead with that same Illuminate shade from the cream contour palette. Then just to layer up my highlight a bit and make it look more intense, I'll be using that lighter highlight shade from that e.l.f. bronzed palette. Now I'll be going in with my e.l.f. blush palette in dark, and I'll be using that sort of dark hot pink shade. Now I'll be using my Buxom-plump like lip liner in the shade Undercover. After that, I'll be applying my Nyx-liquid suede cream lipstick and peanut brittle. Next, I'll be using my Ulta Beauty metallic lip gloss in this coppery shade just to bring a little glowiness to my lips. Is that even a word? Glowiness? Well, it is today. Next, I'll be going in with my Makeup Revolution Glow Revolution Prime Set Glow Illuminating Face and Body Spray. And I love this stuff, but you guys, I had to shake this so many times for it to actually spray like it's supposed to. And I had already shook it up beforehand. I don't know what's up with that, but hopefully you guys won't have that problem. Next, I'm just going to blend it in a little bit using my beauty blender, and then I'm going to go over everything with my e.l.f. setting spray. Now here is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this affordable glowy spring summer makeup look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.